everybody, it's Eric with Muscle Cars with Eric coming at you again today. This is Saturday, Woodward Dream Cruise Day. We are on Woodward freaking Avenue, and I got one of the coolest guys in the whole world here with me. His name is Woody, and he's got a beautiful Duster. We're going to turn it over to him, and he's going to tell us all about it. But again, only here on Muscle Cars with Eric, you get up close and personal Woodward Dream Cruise, Woodward Avenue car contact. Woody, thanks, buddy. I appreciate you, man.
No problem.
All right, so tell us about this car, and let's kind of get over here. Let's get you in the sun.
Sure, here it's fine. Anyways, I bought this car from a friend of mine that I worked with that he had it in the garage for about 5-6 years.
Okay.
Just a shell from California with everything piled into it, everything taken off of it, and no rust.
When you say piled in, like the parts were like sitting in a...
Well, what happened was his son was saying, oh yeah, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that.
Oh, okay, okay.
The guy had not even 2 nickels to rub together. He might have had 1 nickel, and I knew it was never going to get done.
Gotcha, okay,
So
all right.
I saw something like, something, this will be a gem.
Nice.
I want to do. So I bought the car from the kid. I gave him a little bit more money than it was actually worth it.
Okay.
I mean, the condition-wise, it was gold to me.
Okay.
To the outside market, it was a little bit more money.
I understand that.
Make him move. Say, oh yeah, I'll take it.
Cool, good.
I got the car, I loaded it on a trailer, and I took the car home.
And that's this car here.
I pulled it in.
Now, was it originally this color?
No.
Oh, okay.
Lemon yellow, lemon twist yellow.
Oh my word.
Yeah. And a gray primer every which way and all kinds.
Yeah, gotcha.
So, am I still on or?
Yeah, no, you're right. Yeah, I'm just showing the car. Yeah.
So what happened was, I pulled into the driveway.
Yeah, let's scoot you close to the car here.
And as I pulled into the driveway, my wife looked out the window. She goes, "What are you going to do with that?"
Really?
So, well, I got it built in my mind.
Oh, good for you.
I want this car. She goes, "More money down the tubes." Okay. I said, "Well, no." I said, "I got a car."
Now, when did you buy it?
I bought it in 2015.
Okay.
2015.
Okay.
And I brought the car in the driveway, and she just shaking her head and just kind of like, okay, that's his thing. That's what he likes to do.
Yeah.
And keep me out of trouble. Well, I had an idea of what I wanted to do. I started tearing the car all apart. And I got the pictures. I got an album in the back. You might want to take a look at all the details.
Okay, sure, yeah, yeah.
Turn her over. So, once the car was at the shop, because I had the car B-blasted, I did all the prep for the car. She starting to say, hey, that's starting to look like a pretty nice looking car. And I said, well, it's going to go orange.
Okay.
And I'm going to go no chrome. I'm going to do just maybe a small hint of pewter. Okay?
Like right here.
Like an accent, correct.
So now, is this a specific color orange, like a Mopar orange?
Yes, this is a Go Mango orange.
Go Mango orange.
Go Mango
Okay,
orange.
all right, all right.
I love the color because I've had a couple other cars the same color, and I like to stand out. This car just stands right out.
It does.
Yep, it pops.
It's really cool. So now, are these? I mean, I tell you what. Why don't we work our way around this way here?
Okay.
But talk to us about the headlamps here. Obviously, those are not
Those
stock
are not
headlamps.
stock. The whole,
Yeah.
actually, there's really nothing stock on the car other than the body. Everything else is either hand built or modified.
No kidding.
Right.
So are these LED?
These are LED.
Okay.
These are made by Speaker. They're like $400 a headlight,
No kidding.
and they're awesome on the road.
They look really, really
But
cool.
I like to drive the car more than I do because of that. But
Right.
Anyways,
Well, it's always good to be seen and to see, right? Yep, yep. Now talk to me about these tires and wheels.
these are the Riddler wheels. My wife wanted the black. I didn't want the black, and now that I have the black, I love the black. So
Well, it's black and pewter though. So you look for that accent, right?
it's got the bright silver accent.
Okay.
Right.
Are these a Nitto? Are they NT555s?
These are the Nitto cars. Yeah, the Nitto wheels.
Oh yeah, the 555 G2.
Yeah.
Yeah. Duster 6-pack. Is he at the original style?
Original style. This is actually the original decal, but I wanted the decal matched to what the car is.
Okay.
And that was hand painted by Dr. Rue.
Dr. Rue?
Dr. Rue. He was a very famous painter. I think he's retired now, whatever. But that was one of his last things he did. And
That's
so I
cool.
wanted to match the same.
So now this is
This is
cool. I like this finish.
Is Organisol. Organosol, you cannot get this paint anymore. This is the original paint that they use on the TA, AARs, and the GTX hoods. Okay, it's got a light metal flake in it. If you look close, it's got a light metal flake in it.
I see that.
Yeah, and it's got a grainy feel to it. There's 40 coats put on here to make this.
40.
40, because the way you mix this type of paint is you put a little bit in your cup and about this much lacquer thin. Okay, and it dissipates real quick. So when you spray it on, you got to spray it at a certain way so it doesn't dry too fast.
Okay.
Okay, and you just keep doing it lightly.
Did you paint it?
No, I had a friend of mine do it. He showed me how to do it, and I started making lines and stuff, and I said, I don't want to screw my car up.
Right.
Let you do it, because you've been doing this for a long time. So he did back and forth, this way, that way, this way, let it dry, more, and to the point where we had a quart of paint in this whole car.
That's pretty cool. Of this.
I have guys walking to me right now going, where'd you get this paint? I got to get this paint. I go, unfortunately, the EPA and all the people, they don't want that kind of paint anymore. Okay. This is their substitute paint, which is
really not that good.
Not really that good, but they want the original.
Now, I notice the hood is cowl induction, but you also have this here.
I'm different.
Well, is there a purpose, or is it aesthetics more than purpose, or a combination of the two?
Two reasons.
Okay.
Get more air.
Right, of course.
And the other one was it's got a cool fact to it.
It does cool. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
I want something different that nobody else has.
Right.
But since I've done this, I started seeing more people starting doing things like that. That's okay.
Yeah.
When the hood's closed, you can still see the top of the six.
Well, you can consider yourself a trendsetter.
Right.
Right? Hey, you know, it is what it is. Right? This is cool. Now let's work our way around here. Is this original style?
This is original style. Everything's original style. All the chrome has been blacked out. All powder coated, blacked out.
Okay.
Like I said, I didn't want any chrome on the car.
Right.
Yeah, out of difference. Have everything black orange with a pewter accent.
Okay.
Like,
can I climb in the? No, this is cool.
This is all custom.
Is okay. I like that. So those stitches match your body color.
Match your body color.
And a little pewter accents.
Right. And you got carbon fiber, which is in the dash on that center.
Oh, look at that. That's really cool. Oh my word.
This gauge setup on here is a GPS. It means that there's no speedometer cable. So everything
So it's all wireless.
Yes, if you look up on the dash, you'll see that's in my speedometer cable.
Right there?
Right by space, right.
That's really cool.
Yeah. So technically, if I had the key on and I'm on the trailer, the car speedometer is going to show me doing whatever speed the truck and trailer is going.
That's pretty slick.
Yeah. Radio delete.
Yeah.
It's a rare piece right there.
So radio delete, how often or how many of these cars usually have radio delete on them?
Very, very rare.
Okay.
When I saw that at a swap meet, I go, you know something, my radio is my engine.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
I don't want that in my car, so
right.
I put the radio delete in.
Beautiful.
The dashboard is a 67 Barracuda.
Is it really?
Yes. Because that's the only one that has this particular dash.
That's cool. I like the way you fit it in here. Right. Now this is really cool too. The carbon fiber pistol grip.
Right. I put that in there because I wanted a console of a sort. I gotta have my coffee cup.
Yeah.
I gotta have my coffee cup. Okay. I wanted to put my emergency brake in the middle of the car rather than a foot pedal. So I built that console to accommodate all that. And I have my exhaust cut out.
I see that there. Yep.
No power steering. There's no power brakes. It's all rack and pinion.
Oh, geez.
Oh yeah, that's a little extra touch.
That's so cool, man.
You'll see a lot of little stuff like that. Like
little subtle differences, right?
Sure, like right here on the door, you know, right at the orange inside the car.
Yeah, I saw that right there. Now let's go back here. Nice big fat meats on this thing.
No door handles.
Oh, no kidding. I didn't notice that.
No door handles.
Smooth finish.
No side marker lights. No bumper bolts. It's one of those things where you're drifting a car and you don't really see it until you see it.
Until it's pointed out to you.
Right.
Now what's that right there?
That's the gas cap.
Is it really?
This is actually for a motorcycle, believe it or not. This is all fabbed in for a motorcycle gas tank.
That's cool.
Yeah. So that's my gas filler.
And again, it's pewter, the action.
Pewter to max the car, right?
Man,
Sitting down.
you really put a lot of thought and energy into this thing, man. You can tell this is really, really well done.
Yep.
And I love the bumper.
There's no, like I said, there's no bumper bolts.
Yeah, it's nice and smooth.
Yeah.
What size exhaust you got there?
The exhaust is actually a 3-inch exhaust on the whole car, all handmade,
Okay.
all the way headers and everything.
Really?
With
Now,
cutouts.
I like the Mopar on there. Did you have that done?
I did that.
Okay.
What happened was I got these tips as to what I wanted, but they were all chrome. My thought is I don't want chrome on my car. I want computer.
Right.
So I was getting ready to bead blast them to knock off the shine, and when I did that, I had a couple of decals, and I figured I'm going to throw those on there, bead blast it, and then peel the decal off, and that's what you come up with. The chrome underneath.
That is so creative, dude.
Little stuff like that.
That's cooler than crap, man. And I like this. I just really, really... Man. Now let's take a look at this. Can we open this hood up a little bit, or the trunk?
Yeah. Inside the trunk, this is my wife's idea. I wanted to do the interior of the car, and we were out.
That's
and
that alligator
we
finish
picked-
you see
we
on the
picked-
roofs of some of the Challengers, right?
Right, like the gator top.
Yeah.
She looked at it, she goes, that'd be cool for the trunk. I'm going, oh my God, no, can't, no way. Well, it was on sale, and she says, what the hell, if you don't like it, we can change it out.
Is that your GPS antenna?
No, that is my support for the hood. I
Gotcha,
display
okay.
the car.
All right, roger that.
And it matches, so it doesn't.
Yeah, that's cool.
So when we put it in there, everybody's like going crazy over the trunk. I don't know the car. They go, look at this trunk, look at this trunk. My wife goes, I did that. I did that. So I got to
That's
give her.
cool, Woody. Right on, man. Look at this. This is this is your build book, right?
This is the build book on everything that I've done on the car. From the time I bought it, I'll show you what it looked like when I brought it home. I think it's in the other book.
Oh, I see. Yeah, a little
There you go. I pulled it in. She goes, now what are you going to do with that?
little bit of work.
Yeah. I said, I got it built in my head. Just give me time.
Yeah.
3 years later, this is
Now
what
you have this.
Yeah, 3 years later, I took this to Autorama in Detroit, took first place in a very hard class because I did so many modifications. It threw me into a class with all the big boys.
Really?
I was like, oh, there's no way I can beat that guy on a turntable. I can't beat this guy on that turntable. This guy's all chrome. I says, how am I going to do that?
And?
First place, Woodward Wadsworth.
Really?
I was like, you kidding me?
What year was this?
That was 19.
No kidding.
2019.
Oh, my word.
Yep. And
Dude,
since
congratulations,
then,
Woody.
since then I
That's awesome, man.
Since then, I've taken the St. Ignace Cup up in St. Ignace.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, the top hat was there. I took one of the 6 awards.
My word.
Out of all that. I recently just took $1,000 Best in Show at a Chevrolet dealership.
At a Chevy dealership.
Chevy dealership.
Really?
All the Chevys, all the big boys came out with their Chevys.
Yeah.
Best in Show, Woody Wadsworth.
That is so cool. Man, here, I gotta get your card. Because we're gonna keep in touch.
Okay. And now the real jewelry is underneath the car.
Well, really?
Oh yeah.
So let's take a look at that.
Sure enough. Directly underneath.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. It's a 4-link suspension system by Control Freak.
Okay.
The rear end has got a Detroit lockerTru-Trac 391. It's all 3-inch exhaust, all handmade, all the way to the headers and right up the headers and all, everything.
So it's all stainless.
That's not stainless.
Oh, no.
No, that's ceramic.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
That's better yet.
Yeah, and then they got suspension is the Viking coilovers, adjustable coilovers all the way around. Disc brakes all the way around. Wilwood. It's got. Every time I picked up something out of the book, I get the best.
Will you start it?
I sure will.
Sweet. Let's fire it up. Again, Muscle Cars with Eric on Woodward Avenue, Woodward Dream Cruise. Only here on Muscle Cars with Eric, you get to check this stuff out.